Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm so excited to tell you that J Dolls UK and I have started our collab again. That is a challenge to you for Dolls Gone Goth. I'm really excited about it. This month we are doing black flowers, and I thought, oh, what can I do? So I took Gothea out and showed her the spring flowers coming up. I'm in mid-Missouri in the USA, and it is getting green out there. It is getting green. It's cold still, but it's greening up and has been. Usually by St. Patrick's Day, we're green. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and that motor you're hearing is actually our cats purring while we're while we are out here filming. Spring has sprung in Missouri, but I wanted to hurry out and show you that we have black flowers along with our beautiful yellow flowers coming up in Missouri. So here are the outfit ideas I had. A lot of you say you don't have a goth doll. I bet you do. I bet a lot of you have a shadow high doll that you could use. I love this Chanel Onyx, and I thought her skirt kind of looked like a flower. The first time I saw it, I thought it looked like a flower. Let me come around and show you the other two. So I showed you Chanel's little outfit, and you all have seen that. I didn't do anything different for hers. She, in fact, just came out of the box for this video. This is my little Mitty, who I absolutely love, with that Wednesday Addams look about her. Today, I think she looks a bit like Marianne from Gilligan's Island. I don't know, she's just got that look. But I made her this little, I cut off one petal and some leaves from my black flowers here, and I just hand stitched a little dress for her and put a hook and eye on it. I thought it was kind of cute. I didn't want ribbon around the top. I know that kind of came forward, but in the stand, it looks just fine and very minimal, and minimal is what I wanted. And then Gothea, I'm so glad that Gothea is on a new body with a neck joint that Darren made, and she has a double string with Dolls Gone Goth and her name Gothea. That's new. And she borrowed an outfit from Chanel, and it's got this little flower in the studs right in the front. I'm excited to see what you came up with today for black flowers. I know Jay and I will be going to all of the videos. Please use the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth black flowers. And also, if you would please, if you have a video up for today, would you leave that in my comments? They're doing the hashtags different, and I don't always find everybody. So if you could just leave me a note in the comments that you have a video today. And thanks to J Dolls UK, her link is in my description. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.